Hi there, I'm Hazel from Zhamatix, your go-to digital transformation consulting company and proud Asana Solutions partner. In this video, I'll walk you through Asana's advanced search function and how it can help you find exactly what you need fast. Please also note that these is available starting from the starter plan and above. If you're on the personal or free tier, you may not see these features. If you've ever found yourself lost in tasks, projects, or updates in Asana, there's a feature that can cut through all the noise, but most people completely overlook it. It's called the Advanced Asana Search or Advanced Search. And once you know how to use it, you will never go back. Whether you're trying to recover deleted work, find that one task you commented on last week, or track progress across your teams, Advanced Search has your back. We'll cover how to filter by dates, people, attachments, and even how to save your favorite searches. And just a heads up, again, we'll be using a demo environment for this video, so everything you'll see is for demonstration purposes only. Okay, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Advanced Search and how can it help? Advanced Search in Asana helps you find specific tasks, projects, people, and many more based on set filters. Whether you're tracking overdue items, searching for tasks assigned to someone, or reviewing past actions, this feature makes it quick and easy. Key takeaway before we proceed to talk about the use cases. Advanced Search enhances task visibility and improves efficiency in tracking work across your team. Now, let's talk about something everyone asks at some point. How do you recover deleted tasks or projects? Asana lets you recover deleted tasks or projects for up to 30 days. Using advanced search, you can filter by deleted status and easily restore them, like this one. However, please note that items deleted for more than 30 days or deleted permanently cannot be recovered. This is just an example. I'm going to delete a task permanently, but this will show you a reminder or prompt that any item you delete permanently will no longer be accessible to you or anyone else, and that this action is reversible. Okay, key takeaway before we proceed to the next use case is that you can undo mistakes quickly, like deleting a task accidentally without digging through every project. Next up, what if you're trying to find a comment you made on a task? If you left a comment on a task and want to find it again, advanced search makes it easy. Just use the filter that is commented on by under here, people commented commented on by me. You can add more filters as needed. Mm, here, and this is just an example. And if you haven't posted the comment yet, there is still hope. You can enable the draft comments widget on your homepage to quickly find anything you have started typing but haven't sent. Just click Customize and add the widget. There it is, your draft comments. Key takeaway before we proceed to the next use case is that whether it's sent or still in draft, Asana gives you ways to find your past comments and pick up right where you left off. Let's move on to completed work. Can you search for tasks you recently finished? Yes. If you want to review recently completed tasks, just filter by status, completed, and you can search for the completion date. Maybe it could be within the last 4 weeks. And there it is. Key takeaway before we proceed to the next use case is that this search feature is perfect for tracking your progress or putting together a quick status update. Speaking of task ownership, What if you want to find tasks shared between multiple people? Assignee tasks can only have one assignee, but you can use the collaborators filter to find tasks where multiple people are involved. You can just add it here and search for the people involved in a task and click search. There it is. Key takeaway before we proceed to the next use case is that it's a great workaround for surfacing teamwork beyond just the task owners. Now, what if you use some of the same search filters often? Okay, let's make it easier. You can save any search for easy access later, just like this one. Go here and show you how to create it. Meaning I can just go back to the home page and try this one, completed. And completion date is within the last 4 weeks. And for you to do it, you can just click on the star icon, name it as needed, or to make it clear for you once it appears in your starred items. Now, there it is. And for me to show an example that it updates, let me just delete one task. And it might take a while for it to appear. That should show up here. Let's probably wait. There it is. As you can see, it added to the list of deleted items. Okay. Key takeaway before we proceed to the next use case is that once it's saved, you won't need to rebuild that filter every time. Let's say now you're looking for tasks in a specific time period, like something you created last week or your next month. Here's how to do that. Advanced search lets you filter by multiple types of dates, like due date, creation date, modification date, start date, and completion date. You can just set the range and you're good to go. Let me just show an example here. Okay. Now, before we proceed to the next use case, here's a key takeaway. This lets you zero in on the right time window fast. Lastly, let's cover how to find tasks with attachments. If you need to locate tasks with attachments, you just need to filter it through this filter as attachments. And just note that only videos recorded via Asana's built-in Vimeo integration are searchable this way. So any other video or external files aren't indexed. Let's go here, like this. This is the video created using the built-in, let me just show here, built-in video integration. And of course, other attachments. There it is. Key takeaway before we end this video is that if you are chasing down files, this saves a ton of scrolling. Okay, that's a wrap on Asana's Advanced Search. From finding attachments and past comments to recovering deleted tasks and saving custom searches, you now have the tools to track down anything in your workspace with ease. If you found this video helpful, feel free to connect with us on our socials or drop your questions in the comments. And if you need help optimizing your Asana setup or workflows, reach out. We'd love to support your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.